I didn't really know what to call this one, so I decided on a way to think about regression. At least that's the way that I think about it. When you are faced with a simple linear regression problem, you have just a cloud of points on a plane. And the real question is, where did those points come from? And so this is how I think about that. So in this visualization, you can move the slider here, and you can take a position anywhere along the line, and then you can produce a random point from that line. You can produce a whole random sample if you like. So what's happening here is that we've got a random sample that's being produced from this point on the line. And that's how I think about it. All right, so we can go and produce another random sample from that point. All right, so I think of the points as coming out of the line. All right, that's how I think about it. So let's reset this. The situation that you're faced with then is, so you have the line produces a number of points. And what you see at the beginning of the problem is just the points. You don't see the line that produced those points. And the idea is to try to do your best to figure out what that line is. And you can never find it exactly, but you want to get a good estimate of the line that gave rise to those points. And of course, it doesn't have to be a line. We can do the same thing here for a curve. And so once again, you're faced with just, that's what you see when you start the problem. And what you're looking for is what gave rise to those points. And you can't really ever see that. You can just do your best to estimate what that might be.